Honestly, I can't find day number 6. Hi everyone, Go Warrior aka Julie here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Go stands for When You Get Old. I'm 53 years old, love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you have stopped by because you are curious what is in the Kiehl's 2020 Advent Calendar, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Alright, I am super excited. I am adding Advent calendars to my channel. I've already done a NYX 2020 Advent calendar. If you haven't seen that, check it out. And now I'm going to be doing Kiehls. Kiehls is, since 1851, is a skincare brand. They are, I believe, under the L'Oreal empire of brands, products, etc. I don't know if you know, but L'Oreal owns, I swear to God, like 80% of all beauty things you may or not be aware of. Anyways, I am super excited to unbox this. This weighs a ton. The outer big box was says 3 pounds. This cost $98, and I received 6 free samples. So I got a dark spot solution, a vital skin strengthening super serum, an ultra facial toner, an super multi corrective cream, a eye repair cream, and a midnight recovery eye cream. Here is my receipt here, and you see all the zeros for the free items and then $98 for the Advent calendar. Alright, let's get started and start unboxing. Alright, this has a little thing that you slip off here, and it looks like it's going to open up like a book. Oh, how cute is that? Alright, let me take a look to see if we're going to bounce around on the numbers or if they are in order left to right. Oh no, they're bouncing around. I will pull out the first and the last one on camera. The rest I'm just going to set it down and unbox, because holding this bad boy up for God knows how long, probably not the best. Alright. Alright, box number 1 is right here in the corner. Slide it on out. Alright. Day 1. I've seen no spoilers, so the hardest thing about this video is going to be me opening boxes. Alright, what is the first item? Oh, okay. It is one of the items I ordered for free, so now I have 2 of them. Presume it's the same item. It looks similar. Let me get my friend out so I can actually read. Super Multi Corrective Cream. Okay. Day 1, good job. Alright, day number 2. What are you? Okay, so big box, little item. This is the Midnight Recovery Concentrate. Alright, on to day number 3. Alright, day number 3. I'm going to love this Advent calendar because I love skincare, and this is all going to be skincare. Alright, what is this? Rare Earth Deep Pore Cleansing Mask. Alright. Alright, day number 4. Ooh, this is a tall guy. What are you going to be? Ooh, what is this? This is a calendula herbal extract toner, which is alcohol free. All right, let's do a check-in. We are on to day number 5, which is right up top here. And day number 5 is a lip balm. All right, I always like my lips to be moisturized, so that is a really good day. All right, day number 6. Honestly, I can't find day number 6. Day number 6. All right, what is this? Creme de Corps. All right, I took French, and I'm pretty sure corp means body. So this is a body cream or lotion. All right, on to day number 7. Day number 7. What are you gonna be? Ooh, something very, very tiny and clear. What are you? Clearly Corrective Dark Spot Solution. Okay, so that was one of the free items I got. So now I have another one. We have some dark spots to correct. My makeup's doing a good job today, but yay. All right, day number 8. What is this? Midnight Recovery Eye. Okay, so this is, I also got this, one of my free items, so now I have 2 of them. Excellent. All right, day number 9. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. All right, on to day number 9, which happens to be my birthday. Please be good, day number 9. All right, ooh, day number 9 is pretty big, so let's see what day number 9 is all about. What are you? Amino acid shampoo for all hair types. Okay. I love shampoo. We all use shampoo. I was kind of hoping it'd be, I don't know, like an eye cream, because if you watch my channel, you know how much I love eye creams. But I'm not mad. Gotta wash my hair. All right. On to day number 10, which is also large, and I'm going to assume is going to be a hair conditioner. I could be very wrong. But guess what? This is the amino acid conditioner. All right, so we have a shampoo and conditioner. Thank you, Kiehls. All right, on to day number 11. This guy's tall but skinny. What's going on day number 11? We have here an ultra facial cleanser. All right, on to day number 12. What are you gonna be? This is a creamy eye treatment. Okay. Why weren't you day number 9? It doesn't matter, because it's all mine now. All right, day number 13. What are you gonna be? Facial fuel. What is facial fuel? Energizing moisture treatment for men. Oh, looks like my husband's gonna get a nice little stocking stuffer. Okay, on to day number 14. Let's see what you are. Tiny little sample Hydro Plumping Retexturizing Serum Concentrate. Well, that sounds fancy. All right, day number 15. What are you gonna be? Ooh, rather large. This is a Calendula Deep Cleansing Foaming Face Wash. Now on to day 16. We've got another tiny sample here of Powerful Strength Line Reducing and Dark Circle Diminishing Vitamin C Eye Serum. Okay, this one, super excited. Yay. Day number 17. Ooh, getting smaller and smaller. What is this? We have Vital Skin Strengthening Super Serum. Ooh, must be super if it's that tiny. Alright, on to day 18. Ooh, what's this? This is Midnight Recovery Botanical Cleansing Oil. Alright, on to day number 19. It's big but light. What are you? Oh, that was a big box for this little tiny sample of Powerful Strength Line Reducing Concentrate. Yes. Okay. Super excited. On to day number 20. This is going to be a jar of some sort. This is Avocado Nourishing Hydration Mask. All right. Now we're on the home stretch. We have 4 boxes left. Day 21. It's when you need to make your last minute online purchases and pay extra for 1 day overnight shipping or have Amazon Prime. All right. Day 21. What are you going to be? Ooh, what is this? This is Calendula Serum Infused Water Cream. Ooh, I love water creams. All right, day number 22. Little tiny guy. What is this? Ultra Facial Oil-Free Gel Cream. All right, I love a gel cream. Day number 23. Let's see what we got. Oh, and really? It is a little pin of a skeleton with a scarf. What? That is a weird symbol. Is that what the Kiehl's mascot looks like? I'm not into wearing pins. What? Okay. Kiehl's, yeah, you cheated me on a little sample of some kind of face product. Here we are. Day number 24. Last item in the calendar. Let me show you. And also what's nice about this is if you wanted to put all the boxes back, they kindly put little numbers so you would know how to put the puzzle back together. All right, day 24. Be full size, be good, be whatever you are. Just bring joy. It feels larger than anything else. No, it's still small. What are you? Ultra Facial Cream. It's 0.95 fluid ounces or 28 milliliters, which is close to 30 milliliters or 1 ounce. So this could be full size and it's safety sealed. All right, there we go. I have unboxed the 2020 Kiehl's Advent Calendar. Close it on up. Wonder if you could reuse this for anything. Comment down below. What are your thoughts? I feel like I want to recap, but I don't know if I'm going to be able to hold all this stuff. So we got, let me do it one at a time. Got a shampoo and conditioner. We got a cleanser. We got a body cream. We got a foaming cleanser. We got an ultra facial cream, which I assume may be full size. We got a toner. We got a botanical cleansing oil. We got several little pots here of different serum kind of creamy things. We got an avocado mask. Got little tubs of stuff for your face. We got some nice little eye serum, line wrinkle stuff. More little tubies of stuff. Some little serums. And another little tubie. And then this guy. Comment down below. What are your thoughts? Do you think that was worth $98? Now keep in mind, Kiehl's is a skincare brand that's a little pricey. Will I order this again? Maybe for unboxing content on my channel? I don't know. I'm going to look up full size, do some math based on milliliters, and tally up on the screen what the value of everything I got was to see if it is worth it. Because I want you to save your money if you don't think it is worth it. If you're really into skincare and love Kiehl's products, this may be a great way to try a lot of their stuff. But anyways, thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new, welcome. Don't forget to like the video and click the bell icon so that you can be notified of future videos. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. All right, thanks everyone.